AI-generated talking avatars are taking over YouTube. And today, I'll show you how you can use this technology to create your own videos and start earning money online. Many YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars with AI-generated content. So, why not you? In this video, I will walk you through how to transform a simple AI-generated photo into a talking avatar. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment. You can create and edit these AI videos right from your mobile phone. See the final result. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, here's a quick demo of what we'll be creating. Now,
Hi, I'm AI Engine. This is my new YouTube channel, and I was created using AI. Today, I'll teach you how to make a talking AI avatar just like me.
let's break it down and create your own AI-powered video. Step 1. Generate an AI image with Leonardo AI. To create a talking avatar, we first need a high-quality image. One of the best tools for this is Leonardo AI, which lets you generate realistic or stylized images for free. Visit Leonardo AI website. Click on Get Started. Sign in using your Gmail account. Click on Image Creation. Choose an aspect ratio suitable for YouTube. Enter the prompt. Create a realistic character with brown hair, wearing a blue YouTube hoodie, seated at a desk with a microphone. The setting is a modern, cozy studio with purple lighting, streaming equipment, and a professional atmosphere. Click Generate. Select your preferred character and save the image. Step 2. Convert the AI image into a talking avatar with TopView AI. Now that we have an AI-generated image, it's time to bring it to life using TopView AI. Click on AI Tools, AI Talking Photo. Click on Start for free. Upload your AI-generated image. Choose a voice. Use text-to-speech. Type your script and let AI generate the voice. Or upload an audio file if you want to use your own voice. Customize voice settings.
Welcome to
Click Generate, and TopView AI will process your video in minutes. Once the video is ready, you can download it directly to your
Hi,
device.
I'm AI Engine. This is my new YouTube channel, and I was created using AI. Today, I'll teach you how to make a talking AI avatar just like me.
Step 3. Edit and upload to YouTube. To make your video even more engaging, use KineMaster for mobile or CapCut to edit. Add background music and subtitles. Upload your AI-generated video to YouTube with a catchy title and thumbnail. Many YouTube channels are already using AI avatars for marketing, education, training, and customer support. You can do the same and start earning through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what AI tools you'd like me to cover next. Let's turn AI into passive income. See you in the next video.